Welcome back to the channel. We will now extract polylines from each mesh face. You can extract them via the Weaverbird plugin's face polylines or use Grasshopper's native face boundaries component. To be clear, the Weaverbird plugin is resource intense, so we will focus on face polylines. We will also need the face normals component in order to get the normal at each center of each mesh face. This is the most optimized approach with less resources used. Next, discontinuity will let us access the corners of each quad. We will use list item on each stream to work on one quad to begin with, and then we will remove them. Next, Explode will allow us to access the polyline segments disjoint at each vertices or corner. Now, create a line between the normal of each segment and the center point of the mesh face. Next, evaluate each curve with the reparameterization on the curve so that we can evaluate from 0 to 1. Connect a slider from 0 to 1 with lots of fidelity or zeros after the decimal to get access to more accurate movement. Select a line SDL component and connect it based on a vector in the mesh face middle point. Lastly, select an evaluate curve and reparameterize the curve input so it works from 0 to 1, and assign the same slider as before to control both eval components. Thanks for following along. If you found this video helpful, send us a like, subscribe, and the last video in this series will be out soon.